Hi everyone, glad to have you to another episode of the Reality Talk with King Roy. Alright, on this episode we're going to be sharing tips and strategies on how to succeed in your RAGP business. So if you are new to our channel, please like, subscribe, click the bell, boom, so you don't miss any of our episodes. Okay, this morning we're going to be sharing tips on how to succeed in your RAGP business. So we have a leader in the house this morning who's going to be sharing with us tips on strategies on how to succeed and how to meet your targets and how to close a deal in RAGP. To join us on stage this morning to talk about Recharge and Get Paid, it's a wonderful leader, one of the top earners in Recharge and Get Paid. Wow. We're just privileged to have him in Abuja this morning, and we have him on stage. He's no other person but Mr. Emmanuel Maradasa. He's a leader, he's a trainer, he's a successful husband.
Wow. Thanks for having me.
Congratulations, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about Recharge and Get Paid. How to dive into Recharge and Get Paid. You are in Abuja this morning to empower the body of Christ. Let's extend this to the youth. How do we empower the youth? How do we bring them into the system? How will they benefit from Recharge and Get Paid?
Wow, it's very important that many youths out there listening, if you are watching us live, you really need to key into Recharge and Get Paid, because the effect of this pandemic has made company owners, it has opened company owners' eyes to see how they can use technology to automate things with fewer staffs. So that means a lot of companies will be laying off staffs. And not only that, the country globally, we are heading to recession. But the good news is this: many entrepreneurs rise to the top during recession. And not only that, telecommunication now, whether there is recession, if you are broke, you must use airtime.
Definitely.
If you don't have job, you must use airtime.
Definitely.
So why not leverage on this telecommunication business called Recharge and Get Paid? This company has been empowering a lot of people in the body of Christ, because we believe that the church has a lot of role to solve unemployment problem in the country. So, and if the church will solve unemployment problem, the best way to go about it is to partner with some stakeholders or some companies that are doing great. They have to partner with all these companies.
Definitely.
Because they have to embrace the entrepreneurship opportunities. It is when they embrace the entrepreneurship opportunity that is when we can talk about solving poverty and the rest. So leverage with this Recharge and Get Paid. So this is how youth can also benefit. It's very simple. Advise a lot of people out there, if you are in your church and you are in church and you have the passion to help a lot of people in the church, you want to solve poverty problem in the church, unemployment problem in the church, Recharge and Get Paid is the vehicle.
Definitely. So
it's very simple. There are many young people today that are building their houses, rising to the top, hosting on this platform. Many have raised like over 100 million naira from this platform.
Wow.
So you can, I think, using church or going through church is one of the best strategies to affect the community, to empower the nation. Because once you are able to empower the church, not only church now, if you are Muslim and you are out there, start doing something. Start empowerment projects. Start entrepreneurship empowerment projects in your church, in your community, in your nation, Nigeria. Start empowerment project, and once you start this empowerment project, like what we did now, we combine skill acquisition program is under the empowerment program, telecommunication is under it, Recharge and Get Paid is under it. So when we train them skill acquisition, because most importantly, after you have made money from Recharge and Get Paid, you need to have a business project, you need to have a dream. Recharge and Get Paid is an avenue to empower your dreams. So now don't come and join Recharge and Get Paid when you don't have dreams. So you need to have dreams first. Something must be pursuing you. Okay. You need to have a project. You need to set goals. This is what you want to achieve in the next 2 years, next 3 years, next 4 years. I want to be hearing some youth. I want to be hearing from many youth that, okay, I would like to own a company. I would like to start a small scale businesses. Like me now, I've been able to establish my 4 companies from this company called Recharge and Get Paid.
4 companies from Recharge and Get Paid.
From this Recharge and Get Paid.
Whoa.
Yes, because you will get the resources and the money to fund your, whether you want to start with a company or small scale business, you will have money from this Recharge and Get Paid. So once you have that, you learn skills. Don't forget, it's very important. You need to learn skills. What can you do? Are you a graphic designer? Do you have passion to be building websites? So do you have passion to go into catering? I mean big time catering that you turn to company. Do you want to have a fashion design company? So once you learn all these skills, so you now need money to take it from small level, low level to high level, money and skills, and you will get this from Recharge and Get Paid. Once you get it from the Recharge and Get Paid, you become a top company owner. The CEO of Recharge and Get Paid also started with a franchise company.
Definitely.
So after he gathered money from all these companies, so he thought that, okay, let's do something differently from what many people have been doing. So for me, I'm still expecting people that will go into agriculture or food industry to create a kind of franchise around it. Because the CEO look at it that let's go into telecommunication industry, let's have what we call a personal franchise around it, and he achieve it.
So let's talk briefly about how to success strategies in Recharge and Get Paid. You know, a lot of partners will be watching you.
Yes.
This morning. Their mindset, their prayer point is how to succeed. Yeah. You happen to be somebody's prayer point. Lord, I want to be like Emmanuel Maradasa.
Several.
I want to be like Emmanuel Maradasa. I want to be like John Oates.
Yes.
I want to be like P. Global. These are people's prayer points. So, sir, which strategy or what strategy will you advise the youth? Will you advise partners of Recharge and Get Paid to leverage on to succeed? If they want to succeed, if they want to grow fast, strategies to grow your business, to build a team, to make money and continue making money.
These strategies, they are categorized into 2: the online strategy and the offline strategies. Let me start with the offline strategies. With the offline strategies, like I've said, this pandemic has opened people's eyes. You need to position yourself. Start going to churches. Position yourself, because people have been, they've been following mentors, the trend, economics, and everybody is getting to realize that starting a business is the way forward. Entrepreneurship is the way forward. So people have reserved money in their bank account to start a business. They've already made up their mind, and that's the reason why anywhere I do presentation, I start with 100,000 naira package. That if you have 100,000 naira, doing nothing in your bank account, doing nothing, you can actually invest it in this telecommunication business. So people have money. Position yourself right now. People are looking for opportunity now. Target churches, target schools, organization, get proposal letter, set the idea, go to churches, go to schools, go to mosques, go to all these business association, go to NGOs, meet politicians. They can invite you to their community that you want them to do empowerment, technical empowerment program. There's something that can empower their people. Go to every place that you know that there is a forum, a gathering of people. Because when you present to 10 people, there is possibility that 3 will take advantage of the business. When you present to 100 people, there is possibility that 20 people will take advantage. So that's offline strategy. The another one I want to talk about is this. We can't rule out the place of publicity. Make sure you form a kind of marketing team. Dress corporately, get a t-shirt. Wear the same t-shirt. Now when you go out, people look at you, all these people, what are they doing? What are they advertising? Because let me tell you something. People have been seeing the adverts online. They've seen the adverts online. But you know, maybe looking at the condition or our orientation in this country, when people see something online, the first thing that will come to their mindset is scam or Ponzi.
Yes.
But if you balance the strategy, they will see it online, and you meet them online, you explain the business to them. You know the funniest thing you can just do to just gain a prospect, confidence, attention is this. Once you tell them about the business and you recharge them, and the airtime reflects, you have closed the deal. You have closed the deal. So have a kind of marketing team. Storm different axes in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, go to different places. Then let me now come back to the online tools, online marketing. Online marketing will give you an opportunity to reach out to billions of people. So you need to have digital skills. You need to enroll for digital marketing. I've been saying this. Network marketers should upgrade their skills because we are now in digital age.
Definitely.
So go and learn everything A to Z of digital marketing. Go and learn it A to Z. If possible, website design, learn it. Because now, if you learn website design now and you know it, you can actually put your testimonies in the website. You can put all the content in the website. You can to draw traffic. So people just go there, they read everything they need to know about the platform, they watch the video, they watch everything, and they get back to you that they want to sign up. So, and if you are doing sponsor ads now, another thing is this: pay Facebook some money, 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira. Tell Facebook to help you to do sponsor ads, to target places, so that people can connect you. So once you do this and you put your website there, people go to your website because your phone number, everything is there, your testimony, other testimony is there, they will call you and they get started. So use online tools, be advertising, get all our advert scripts, be advertising on your wall. There are another thing you need to do, just like what we are doing now. Video marketing is the future. Video marketing is the future of any business. It builds trust, it builds confidence. You don't want people, you start the business now, if care is not taken, you advertise it and you didn't put video, people will ask you, they will call you, oh, they've not hacked your social media account. But if they are seeing the video, they know that it's you are the real person. So do a video, appear in a video, do something like this. Bring leaders, those who are achievers in this platform, bring them together, interview them. So people will be watching you. Put your video on YouTube. Anytime you are posting this advert, always use your video. You can do just 50-second video. There are many videos you can use. So video marketing is the future. So we want to encourage our partner to start doing video. It helps a lot. Online tools will help you to connect a lot of people, and when you connect them, you now meet them offline.
Yes.
So when you now meet them offline, you close the deal. Every day be advertising, every day let people know about your business online. Like me now, I'm in Abuja here. I will be doing offline activities, but my recharge and get paid sponsor ads, 5 sponsor ads across state is running, is on automation. So anytime I'm relaxed, I'll just discover that 50 people has already connected me. So I'll just engage them, do presentation. It's a matter of interest. They want to join, they are not ready to join, I like their contact elsewhere. So, and people keep coming like that. Before you know, it joins you.
That's a very good one. Offline marketing and online marketing. If you are a young partner of Recharge and Get Paid, you need this video. Send it to your group chat, send it to your partner, send it to your prospect, send it to your team members, send it to your fellow leaders. It will help you grow. Iron sharpeneth iron. He's a top leader, he's a top earner, and he has shared his wealth of ideas for us to succeed. If you watch this video and you still don't succeed, man, you are at fault. Now, when it comes to online marketing, you talked about video marketing. You talked about Facebook ads. Now, a lot of partners are finding it difficult succeeding with Facebook ads. Some of them, they don't understand keyword, because in Facebook community, there are certain words you shouldn't use. Now, when you use them on your ads, Facebook will knock it off. They won't fly. So how do you advise young entrepreneurs, young partners of Recharge and Get Paid to succeed via Facebook ad, and how to aim your target audience?
Now, this is it. We have tackled a lot. We are still tackling a lot of these issues. But the solution I got, some people too, they once you master some certain, if you observe that they are rejecting your quotes and everything. I've tried this solution with so many partners. Do you know what I told them to do? I advised them to go and get another smartphone. Now, that phone you see there is Camon. I opened the Facebook account. I opened the page inside the new Facebook account, and I'm doing sponsor ads. No restriction, and it's going. So because there's a way Facebook monitor this IP, I don't know. First thing, try this one. Get another new smartphone. Open another Facebook account. Okay. Then create another new page. Because I observed that the setting, the features they put in that new page inside new Facebook account is quite different from the normal one that we, because that normal page we are bombarded with a lot of the company picture, image, and the rest. So are you getting it? So, and I don't encourage people to be using Recharge and Get Paid. Your cover photo and the rest. Stop using Recharge and Get Paid. Stop. You can't go to my email page and see something like that. Stop using the Recharge and Get Paid image. Do you know that like our budget for Facebook, we pay 150,000 out of Facebook monthly. This monthly, yes, and our investment.
You use money to make more money.
Exactly. So now, once we realize that at times, because they know that we are putting in money, so they work with us, Facebook team do call us to introduce some features that, okay, do it this way, you get more followers, if you do it this way, and then. One day I asked him that, he asked me, which company am I proposing? I said, Recharge and Get Paid. I now use the opportunity that, would you like to join? He said, don't worry, my colleagues here is doing it. They knew about Recharge and Get Paid. And you know, Facebook, all these MLM companies, they don't, anytime they do video, you only mention VTU portal. You not mention Recharge and Get Paid. So I want to advise our partner, anything that has to do with Recharge and Get Paid, the cover photo, the banner, and even if there is going to be testimony, code it. There is a way you should code it. So once you put down there and Facebook review it, they will reject it. There all this work from home and all this kind of thing. The another thing is this: do your own video. Now, when John Oti, Bishop Oyedepo, Susan video came out, anytime I see all this video, do you know what I do? Immediately I take it to Facebook page. I do sponsor ads. There is something they call flagship. Once they know that this one has used this video, another person has used this video, I want to use it again, they reject it.
Flash it. So
when immediately the video come out, when John Oti video come out, Femi Branch, this video by Femi Branch, 1.4 trillion on your airtime, you are feeding them. That video immediately came, I use it like Crazy. So when people are now using it after me, they rejected it. So that's why it's important that each partner should do their own video. So, but they still need guideline from experts.
Definitely.
So they can consult our company. We have tech team.
Okay.
So they still need guidance. But let them try this one. Let them buy another smartphone. Let them start afresh. They should not put allergy.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. Emmanuel Maragasa, alongside Mr. Isaac. Thank you for coming on stage. My partner of Recharge and Get Paid already. Go back and watch this video over and over again. Success is a must for you. See you at the top.
Thank you.